Good morning, everyone. Tegan and I are up making her breakfast right now, and we have to wake up Nolan here in a few minutes. He's got the second half of his soccer tournament today. Yesterday they had 2 games, and they ended up playing 2 very tough teams, so they ended up losing both of them. Today he has 2 more games, so we'll see how he does. He did play well yesterday, so hopefully he continues that. So we're gonna go and cheer on your brother, aren't we? Yeah.
Hi everybody, we just got back from our soccer tournament. We played a lot of really tough teams. We had 3 losses and 1 win, but we had a lot of fun during the tournament. Now we're gonna go find something else to do.
The dogs love playing in the water. So we got the hose all hooked up, and the sprinkler hooked up. So they are gonna go crazy when it goes on. Nico's already asking for it. Where is it, Nico? Where is it, Lexi? Show me. Go get the water. Where is it at? Where's it at? Huh? Is it in there? Nico, do you want to turn it on? In there? Yeah? Okay. They love playing in the water. Tegan, what are they doing? What are those doggies doing? Okay, Nolan's gonna go run. I guess he's going out through the mud room. He just got nailed in the face. Go. She's having fun watching the dogs, aren't ya? Aren't ya? Aren't you, Smiley? Huh? Yeah? You having fun swinging? Having fun swinging, watching the dogs and your brother play in the... Now he's finally getting into it.
Oh my God!
He just got nailed in the face. I gotta turn it down, it's getting way up here on the deck. Water. No, I turned it off. And Nico's rolling around. Awesome. Alright everybody, that was fun watching the dogs and Nolan play in the water. But I think it's time to get Tegan some dinner, and then I'm going to make something for Nolan and I. So we're going to end it there, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.